Hello friends, I'm Manpreet Kaur. My student ID is 303809665. I'm going to describe lab work which is from unit ITEC 5402 enterprise system, and I'm going to explain lab of week 6 which is SAP and accounting processes. These are some answers of questions which were asked in the lab. And now let's start with screenshots which were taken from lab work. So first we need to display financial statements. So for displaying financial statements, we need to click on display financial statement icon, or we can say box, in the SAP, and we will get similar screen to this. So then we need to follow all the instructions and needed to fill these columns like in company code. I put here one item, ledger is OL, means leading ledger, statement version is G000. So fill everything as per instructions given and then press enter, or we can also click on go. So the next screen will be similar to this, where we will get answer, we can say, on the next screen when we will press on go. So here we can see assets and profit and loss statements. All the information is given here. So if we want some more information, we need to click on these icons in front of asset and profit and loss statements. When we will click here, we will get some extra information with, like here we can see. So we get some more information, detailed information about these. So that's all for task 1, and next is task 2, display general ledger account. So for displaying general ledger account, we need to go back to home screen and click on manage general ledger account master data. When we will click there, we will get this screen which we needed to fill as per instructions which are given. So when we will follow all the instructions and fill our columns, for filling our columns we need to follow all instructions like this and then press on OK. Move your cursor on OK and click. When we will do this, we will get full information about that, like general account master data, as we can see on our screen. And these are some answers which were asked in the lab from lab work. And this is task 3, review conciliation account. For this we need again to go on home screen, which is over here. Click on home and then find display customer balances. So for that, again we need to follow instructions which are given in lab and fill like customer 1 item, company code 1 item, official year is 2016, and then the next screen will similar to this screen which is coming like this. We will get complete information. So if we want some more information, we need to click over here, like here we can see 24,000. So we needed to click over here. When we will click on 24,000, we will get some more information about it. That will be like this. And that's all for lab work of week 6. Hope you guys understand. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.